Look at that gloss. Beef dripping, noodles twirling. You don't want to miss. Beef slaps the pan. And for once, it's not you getting roasted. Red wine splashes. Soy sauce follows. Garlic, eggplant, tomato. Boom. More veggies in one pan than you've eaten all year. Mystery sauce goes in. Thicker than the lies you told on your Tinder bio. Beef comes back dripping. Shinier than your oily forehead. Chili flakes rain down. Oysters slide in. One last splash of mystery liquid. Noodles soak the sauce. Basically dripping with glow-up you'll never have. Give it a toss. Flavors wrapped tighter than your failed relationships. Now, smash that sub, because this dish is winning while you scroll.